Where them a buy gun for, nah kill nobody but they like tough chat. Can't rate no switchy.
Wagwan viewers, Wagwan subs, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Malie Said and Chronicler. Viewers and subscribers, rumors been going around that Chronicler and Malie Said been going at it on the media, but now we're gonna talk about it. So gentlemen, this review is one that you do not want to miss. Big up on yourself like always, and remember, leave a subscribe and leave a like if you're new to over here.
Remember the thing go.
Sir,
What's up, Mom?
is there any way you could help me maybe get something to eat?
Come to eat. Why you out so late?
I'm homeless.
You homeless?
Yes, sir.
So where you from?
I'm from here, but I'm waiting on a court date for disability.
Oh, so like where you want to get to eat?
I'm either going to go to Whataburger, Waffle House, or Circle K. Is anything open?
So like how much you want? I think this can get you enough for today and tomorrow, okay?
Thank you.
God bless you.
God bless you too.
So this artist goes by the name of Radija. I'm not sure if I pronounce the name right, but you know, big up yourself, bro. Anyway, there, yeah man, viewers and subscribers, when I don't know things like them, we always gonna bring to the channel for show the good things what the artists them do for the people. You see me? Yeah man, big up yourself, bro. Anyway, there. So that video was circling the media like a couple days back with Chronicler. The viewers them happy to say Chronicler at this Malie Said, at show shades at Malie Said. And you can clearly hear when Chronicler say him invest in a guns more than how him invest in a business. Now we have Malie Said jump out and a preview a song on his IG. Viewers and subscribers, check this out.
Where them a buy gun for, nah kill nobody but they like tough chat. Can't rate no switchy.
What them a buy a gun for? Them not kill nobody, them only like tough chat. Viewers and subscribers, that's a clear Chronicler this right there. So Malie Said a fire shot at Chronicler. And you know, if you don't want more proof, well, check this out.
Big up 8 ball, Trinidad, we salute them. I bleach out, Ted, me I bleach with that tool. Girl.
So I think we don't need no more confirmation that Malie Said clearly a fire shot at Chronicler. Them a bleach out here, we a bleach with a tool. And if you look on the image with Chronicler, obviously you can see that Chronicler here is bleached out. Viewers and subscribers, Malie Said ready for this up Chronicler. The song is a preview and it's IG, so you know so the song soon drop. And Chronicler also a preview a song over there on Fame IG. Viewers and subscribers, war is in the ear between the two artists them.
Blood club, boy, if you do better, you a bang too long.
So Chronicler has said them a bang too long and still don't have a house or land. And if you remember good enough viewers and subscribers, you see the style where Chronicler use right there, so in another song there, you can hear the person at the background say hello. Me hear that style in a one of Malie Said song them before. When Malie Said sing about chopping, we hear that style before, no joke. But viewers and subscribers, the two entertainer them are go at it, and two of them both preview a song. Clearly, Malie Said song is a straight diss to Chronicler.
For me there you ever see me and I'm gonna fight it. We not fight, brother. We kill people. You want it? You want it? Beat up yourself. Beat yourself and stop beat up yourself. Live life. You think I run make we bad? We bad natural. Natural wicked people.
So viewers and subs, what do you think? I feel like Chronicler and Malie Said would be a good clash in dancehall, or I feel like Malie Said cannot clash Chronicler. But one thing with me, I'm not going to put on no artist and say, oh, them cannot clash another artist. I rate Malie Said because Malie Said is an artist where a show will say, yo, I'm not afraid to clash. You see me? Remember, you know, people have it to say, yo, Malie Said lose a clash between him and Pablo YG. But even if the artist did lose, him still a run up for Chronicler. And I make we know say yo, him not afraid to fire shot at Chronicler. I mean, remember viewers and subscribers, Chronicler is a gun artist. You know, enough people now just claim and say yo, Malie Said is a gun artist because I mostly girl tune Malie Said sing. But the thing is, you cannot write off no artist no matter what. So this clash is one me a wait to see. Big up the two artists, them viewers and subscribers like always. Big up on yourself. Leave on a take down in the comment section. You see me? Yeah man, catch you now in another one.